everyone, welcome back to Shuta's Universe. In this video I am going to paint a little piece of ocean on my 6-inch round canvas. This is my first time using a round canvas and I am very excited. I am going to paint this with just a spatula or palette knife. I'm not going to use any brushes here. On some parts, I'm planning to apply thick layers of paints. Okay, this is an acrylic painting and I'm using my Liquitex regular acrylic paints and Holbein Aurora polymer emulsion acrylic paints. Unfortunately, none of my sets have white color paints, so I'm using acrylic gesso as my white paint. Other than the white gesso, today my palette has paints grey, Prussian blue, cobalt blue and a beautiful sea green blue that you are seeing right now. And I don't know the name exactly because I can't read what it says on the packaging of the color because it's written in Japanese. Although I know a little bit of Japanese but not that much. Okay, my palette also has burnt sienna, raw sienna, yellow ochre and a beautiful creamy color. As you may have already guessed, I have tried to make a nice gradient from dark to light on the ocean part, and now I am applying the colors for the beach. I am applying burnt sienna right now. Then let's add a little bit of raw sienna just at the bottom of the burnt sienna, and we are dragging our lighter color on most of the part of the darker color, but don't worry, the previous color won't go away. It will rather show through and create a nice mixture and contrast with the newly applied color. Now we're working with our yellow ochre and blending it nicely with the previous raw sienna. I absolutely love these textures that the spatula makes. And I think I will definitely do more of these kinds of works. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Okay, in this part I don't want any white colors, I am just lightening up the previous colors a bit. Again, giving the beach part a nice mixture and a nice blending. I find it really satisfying to play with the spatula. This kind of allows you to be free and go loose, paint outside the lines and things like that, which I love very much. Okay, this is probably the most fun part of this painting. I am just starting to apply the foams of the waves and I am trying to create a realistic texture using my white gesso. This painting is nearly finished. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Shuta's Universe.